everyone, my name is Misa and welcome to my channel. On today's menu, I thought we would do something different, a product review. Thank you so much, Vessel, for sending me my first product to review. They got me the compass. Vessel is not only just a vape brand, but it is creating the experience. So this is their compass series and they come in different colors. This is the gunmetal. They have an incredible high capacity battery, signature tune airflow, and unparalleled aerodynamic design that makes you feel like it belongs in your hand. You can see how sleek the design is. I actually got something from Good Supply. I got a 510 thread pineapple express flavored, which is absolutely delicious. And as I'm inserting this here, it's just really easy and you can see that it lights up when it's connected. In the box, it also comes with the charger. The charger is a USB port here, and this could be attached to any adapter. It's also handy is they have a little manual. Very, very helpful tips at the very back, as well as how to use the product. So this is how small it is in comparison to my hand. Super easy to grip, hold, very sleek, not heavy at all. And when you turn it on, it turns green. So let's see if I can do that. You see that? And then when it's inactive for about 15 minutes, it turns off, or you can turn it off with the 5 clicks. Cool. What's cool about this brand is that they have so many options for you to choose from. This fits most of the 510 cartilage threads. If I hold onto it 3 times, it should change the setting. See how it turned into another setting? And then 3 more times. Now it's yellow, so that is the second highest. It should turn red. Oh, there you go. I don't know if you guys see that. There you go. So that is the highest thread. Now, if you want to change it back to the lowest thread, you just do 3 more clicks. Turning it off is just 5 simple clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's done. Super easy, super simple to use. Fits in any type of pocket, purse, your jacket. It is so handy. I'm gonna be putting the link for the compass below as well in the details, just so that you can check out the brand itself. Feel free to kind of browse, see what they have. That's all for today. If you know any different flavors I should try, let me know in the comments below. Right now I have the Pineapple Express. Support your girl at the subscribe button below and leave a comment as to what kind of product I should try next. Until next time, see ya, bye.